Hello students, welcome to Sources classes. Today we'll be solving the ISI Mstat question paper from the year 2018. Today we'll be solving question number 6. In question number 6 it has been said that we need to find out the equation of the tangent to the curve y equal to sine square pi into x cube by 6 at the point x equal to 1. The options are given over here. The equations of the tangent are given over. 4 options are given over here. So we need to check out which of them is correct. So what we need to do is that we have been given the curve y is equal to sine square pi x cube by 6. Now at x equal to 1, y will be equal to sine square pi by 6. So sine square pi by 6 is nothing but sine of pi by 6 whole square. So sine of pi by 6 is equal to 1 by 2, 30 degree. So this will be equal to y is equal to 1 by 4. So the required point is, the point xy is 1 comma 1 by 4. So now if we differentiate y with respect to x, this gives us dy by dx is equal to 2 sine pi x cube by 6 into cos of pi x cube by 6 into 3 pi x square by 6. So this will ultimately give us sine of 2 into pi x cube by 6 into pi x square by 2, which is equal to sine of pi x cube by 3 into pi x square by 2. So definitely, so now dy dx at the point 1 comma 1 by 4 will be equal to sine of pi by 3 into pi by 2. So this is equal to sine of pi by 3 is equal to root 3 by 2. This is pi by 2. So this comes down to pi root 3 by 4. So the slope is pi root 3. So therefore equation of tangent will be equal to y minus 1 by 4 equal to pi root 3 by 4 into x minus 1. So this will be equal to y equal to pi root 3 by 4 into x plus 1 minus pi root 3 by 4. So this is the equation of the tangent that we have got. So this will be equation B. So the correct option is option B. So today we have solved question number 6 from the ISI Mstat question paper of year 2018. We'll be solving the next questions in the subsequent videos. Till then, keep watching Sources classes videos for more solutions and content. Thank you very much.